Hello everyone and welcome to my video and also this channel where I'm going to take a look and visit the city of Portsmouth, which is located on the south coast of England, UK. And I'm going there because I want to take a look at the Modus Super Series, which is an activity that you can do in Portsmouth and it is free to do so. If you are a darts fan or just looking for something to do whilst you're down in Portsmouth, then I would highly recommend the Modus Super Series, which is easily bookable through Dartshop TV. With it being free, you just add the type of ticket, which there is only one option, to be honest, when you book, which is a general admission. So you select the type of ticket that you want and then go ahead and add that ticket to your cart. You do not have to pay, so I just want to remind you that you don't have to pay, and you do get a confirmation email sent to you once you have filled in all your details. Situated on the London Road in Portsmouth, the Modus Super Series have really made use of this old style church, using it as the venue for the week and also the Saturday's evening events. And of course there are a few pubs that are local to this, so if you wanted to go into a pub before you attend the Saturday evening session, there are many local pubs around. First impressions of walking into this venue and taking a look around is of how well Modus have actually utilised this church space and have put this set together. A lot of seating area here and a fantastic staging with 2 screens so you can see the scores at all times, and of course a bar area to the right hand side you'll see just here, and you can purchase drinks all through the night, preferably when the games aren't being played, but there is refreshments there as well. Top tip regarding the bar, it is a cash bar, so remember that if you are coming to visit, they do offer drinks tokens. I believe it was free for £10, where you can exchange those tokens for drinks during the night. It's a great atmosphere with music playing even before a game and match is played. And the other thing that you get to see from a different perspective is the players doing interviews on stage, whereas YouTube or Sporty Stuff TV, you see those little mini clips, you get to see that live as well. With it starting at 10 o'clock, once you've got your refreshments, it's then time to watch the darts. Yes, it is tungsten time, which then leads you to watch a series of matches eliminate the players to only crown one winner of the evening, which that one winner then gets to play again in Champions Week. 180 cards are provided on the tables as well. You may have seen that in previous clips, giving you the chance to join in when Paul Hinks calls that all-important 180. Rubbish 180, I know, really sorry about that. But of course, I had to join in. And that's me, second row, holding up my 180 card and getting involved in the action and atmosphere throughout the evening. Many times my 180 card was held in the air during the course of the evening, following a few more 180s. The crowd were brilliant, cheering on their favourite player, being it a member of family or friends, or even just someone that's come along to watch their favourite player. And of course, you can have your chance to watch your favourite player as well. Tune into the Modus Super Series weekly to find out the players' fixtures, who's attending that week, because it could be someone that you wouldn't mind going to watch or support. And providing obviously they make it through to the live final, you can have your chance as well to see your favourite player. And if they don't, I'd certainly recommend to book a ticket anyway and go down and check out the Super Series. The venue with the staging is quite nice and spacious. Being it a church, it does have the high ceiling, so that all helps in regards to the production side of things, especially with the lighting as well. The only one criticism, and it would be ever so minor if I did have one, is the fact of the middle table is quite tight, so if people are to get in and out for drinks, etc., it can be quite tight to do so. So bear that in mind. That might be one little thing that they could probably adjust just to bring the tables out slightly to give more room. You do have to say well done to the production team on this to make it what it is. It's fantastic to go watch live, and a lot of work goes into this to make it what it is. I've watched YouTube, I've watched Sporty Stuff TV, and it's broadcasted really well there, and it's even better of course when you go watch it live. And just remembering, this is a free activity to do in Portsmouth. I spoke to a couple of the locals whilst I was down there, and they didn't even know that this event even existed. So if you're in Portsmouth and you like this sort of thing, or even not, it's free. So check it out. Go along on a Saturday evening, a couple of drinks, and enjoy yourself. And with the matches being well underway, it led to Ian Moss, known as Mossy, and Adam Mould, known as Mouldy, making it all the way through to the final, where it ended up being Adam Mould taking the win and the victory over that final night over Ian Moss, which has also led to him securing his spot in the Champions Week. Then finishing off the evening with Matthew Edgar giving out that all-important novelty check, which he may have mentioned a few times on previous streams, that he wanted to bring back that novelty check. I do hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and the like button. And if you are subscribed, make sure that your notification bell is turned on, as I'll be releasing more content in the future. Check out my other videos on travel in my video libraries, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.